Welcome to Shine with Sara.
We're learning together one small step at a time.
Sara's mama looked a little upset today. I don't think Sara even noticed. Dear Sara, I hope you don't mind me writing to you. You're such a good friend to my Sara. Lately when I call her, she doesn't come. I call her once, twice, sometimes 4 times. I know she doesn't mean it, but every time she doesn't come, I feel like I don't matter. Like I'm not worth stopping for. Please don't tell her I wrote this.
You okay, Tara?
She said she doesn't matter. And I saw her face today, and I still didn't do anything.
You know now.
I want to help Sara's mom. I'm going to Sara's house and try to solve this issue. Sara, you okay?
Yeah. Come in.
She just needs a friend right now, not a lecture.
I know. Hey, has your best friend ever not show up for you? Like you really needed her and she just wasn't there?
Yeah. Last year I was really upset, and I kept calling Hannah, and she never picked up.
How did that feel?
Like, maybe I wasn't important enough.
Sara, I saw your mom outside the house earlier today. She was sad and broken. I really felt for her.
What do you mean?
She just went quiet, turned around, went back to the house alone. She didn't say anything, but her face was down. What happened?
I think I have not been listening to my mom lately. She calls a few times, but I ignore her. Is that what my mama feels when I don't come?
Yes. She's not calling to give you a job. She's calling because she wants you near her.
I didn't know it felt like that for her.
Now you do. And now you can show her.
Sara!
Mama, I'm here.
You came! When I call you and you don't come, I feel like I'm talking to the walls. Like what I need doesn't matter.
I am sorry, Mama. I didn't realize this is how you felt. I will try not to hurt you like this again.
That's it. That's all her mama needed.
One moment, one choice. Everything changed for Sara and her mom.
Your mama needs your attention. She just needs to know you heard her.
Yes, you are right, Tara. Moms need love and attention all the time.
Next time she calls, don't wait. Don't finish the game. Don't say in a minute. Just go.
First time, every time. That's how we shine.
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.